Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps logging me out on the application of Brave. Very good settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Brave and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Brave. And then you can update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.